Hi guys, welcome back to Callaloo's kitchen. Today I'll take you in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my Ital stew. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. You can also follow me on Facebook, Callaloo's kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. So I have gone ahead and started preparing my ingredients for my Ital stew. Here I have carrot, I also have Scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, I also have some pumpkin, and I also have Callaloo. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some broccoli to this. You could also add cauliflower, but for this Ital stew I'm not gonna add any cauliflower. I'm just gonna go ahead and add broccoli. Please note also guys, for this Ital stew, please note guys that also for this Ital stew I'm not going to add any powder seasoning. So I also have some Irish potatoes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this to the side, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I'm gonna do first. So here I have some red peas, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cook this. And I'm not going to allow it to get too soft. I'm going to show you what it looks like while cooking. So guys, this is what my peas look like. So I'm just going to let it cook for another 20 minutes and show you what I'm going to do after. So guys, after 20 minutes, this is what my peas looks like. Don't worry about it guys. It might look a little bit tough, but it's not tough and it's not too soft. But I'm still gonna allow it to cook for another 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna show you what it looks like before adding the other ingredients. So after 20 minutes guys, it's time to go in and add the other ingredients to the peas to cook. So as you can see, I'm adding the carrot, I'm also adding the pumpkin, I'm also adding the Callaloo. Guys, I also add Cho Cho. I forget to tell you that I add Cho Cho. So I'm just ensuring that everything is added to the pot. Then I'm just gonna mix this around. Guys, you see that color? And it smells so good. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for awesome recipes. And you can also check me out on Facebook, Callaloo's Kitchen. So I'm just cutting up the garlic. So I'm just going to give this another spin, and I'm going to leave it to cook for roughly 15 minutes. I'm not going to allow the vegetables to get too soft, and then I'm going to show you the final product. So guys, before I allow it to cook, I'm just gonna add a little bit more water, because I realized that it needed a little bit more water. So I'm just gonna add some more water, and this is what it looks like guys while cooking. So I'm just gonna cover this and allow this to cook for another 15 minutes and show you the final product of my Ital stew. So guys, after 15 minutes, this is what my Ital stew looks like. This is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to Callie J's Kitchen. Once again, guys, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting.